Dear Sherry, can you boil weed in water and drink it like tea? Okay, good question. Before I get to the answer, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. So, can you boil weed in water and drink it like tea? I suppose you could, but it wouldn't be the best use of the weed. I know it might seem logical that this might work and that you have a green plant. It kind of maybe looks a little bit like tea, although it's a lot stickier than tea. But no, this really won't get you a very good edible. That's because cannabis binds to fats, and that's why we often make butter or oil or some other type of fat-infused food with it, cream. It binds to fats well. So just boiling it in water, you would be leaving behind the good stuff because the good stuff is not going to bind to that water. Now, some people do make tea after they've made butter or oil. They'll take their leftover leaves and make a tea with it. And usually I would recommend you put like some milk or cream in that because there are some trichomes left, but generally just to boil weed in water would be a big waste of weed. You're going to want to bind it to a fat instead, or you could decarboxylate it, and there'll be a link below to what that is and how to do it if you don't know. And you could just eat the bud that way, and I also would recommend that you eat that with fat in that instance as well for the same reason I talked about. But boiling weed in water would be a big waste of the weed and really wouldn't give you the medicinal benefits, and it won't give you the buzz that you want either because cannabis just does not bind to water that way. So don't do that. Hope this helps. I'll see you all next time. Eat your weed.